Here's how to replace a Shimano shifter cable. If yours looks like this one, click it down into the lowest gear and then undo the bolt that holds the cable onto your shifter. This is for the front shifter, obviously. On the rear shifter, it's similar, at least up top. And then clip off the dirty end of the shift cable. And then to get it out, you remove these two screws that hold the cover in place on the shifter. Like that. And then there you see the head of the cable. So remove a little bit of the housing so you can move it around, and then use a knife or something skinny to pop the head out, and then go ahead and pull the cable out all the way. Now you can put some oil on the cable if you want to. I always do that to my cables, either squirt it down the housing or put some on the cable itself before you route it through. And then just run it through the cable housing from the top, like that. And on the bottom, put it through its secondary cable housing and pull it down towards your shifter. And then on the front, pulling it from the bottom, just make sure it gets back into its little hole. And then also make sure that the cable housings are all snug in their little holes, so that when you tighten it up, it will be tight. And then put the two screws back in here. Don't screw them down too tight, because you are screwing metal into plastic, so you don't want to shred the threads. And then on the bottom, pulling it tight with your left hand and tightening it with my right hand so that there is tension on the cable. I tighten it down and then run it through the gears. And if it's satisfactory, ride your bike. If it's unsatisfactory, then adjust the tension on the cable and screw it down again. And then you are done. And then trim off the excess and go for a ride.